Welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on the video, then you already know what this video is about to be. It is a makeup declutter video. I have a lot of makeup that I need to get rid of. I'm one of them people, like, I like to hold on to things even when I know I'm not going to use it no time soon, or even if I haven't used it in a while. I just still like holding on to certain things, so why not film it and show it to you all. I'm not sure how I'm going to declutter everything. Like, am I going to just declutter everything at one time, or I'm just going to do like certain things, like maybe lipsticks, powders? I don't know yet, so we'll just go with the flow of the video. But anyway, y'all, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will try not to make it too long because y'all know I don't like long videos, even though I need to start making some longer ones for AdSense. But anyway, yeah, just hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. So I decided to just start with like my lipsticks and my concealers first. And in this basket right here, which I'm going to start with first, that basically have all my lipsticks and lip gloss, and there are some concealers at the bottom. I don't have really a lot of concealers just because I don't try out a lot, because I try to stick to the 2 or 3 that really works for me. But I'm going to start with probably these 2 baskets here, and then depending on how long this video is, I will start with the loose powders that's back here in those baskets. First thing that I'm going to start with in this basket is these 2 items that's still in the pack. This is a lip liner from KVD, and this is one of my favorite lip liners. It's the perfect brown shade to line my lips, and I love that it's creamy. It's not like lip liner pencils that could be like a little, like, I don't like how they be tugging on the lips. I just don't like that. It makes my lips feel dry, whatever. But so I always keep a backup of this lip liner. This is just my favorite one. In the other box still is a eyeliner from Gucci. I'm not even sure why it's in this pile of stuff, but of course I'm keeping it because, as you see, I haven't even opened it yet. So pretty much everything that I'm going to keep, I'm just going to sit right here, and I'll make a pile for the things that I'm definitely getting rid of, because there's going to be a pile of things I keep and things I'm getting rid of. There's not even going to be a maybe, because some of this stuff is just time for it to go. So yeah. Okay, so this is a liquid lipstick from Burberry. I just got this recently, so I am going to keep it. This is a lip balm from Laneige. I think there's still some product in this. This is not like one of my favorite lip balms, but I am going to keep that as well. And y'all, I'm going to open up certain products and show y'all, just because I kind of want to get through this and I don't want to like drag this video out. Anyway, next is a lipstick from YSL, and this was the Zoe Kravitz collaboration. I don't even know what shade this lipstick is. Oh, this was like a nice, I believe this is called Jungle Red. That's what it looks like. I don't really like the formula to these lipsticks. I feel like they break apart easily, and yeah, I just said it wasn't gonna be no maybe pal. I don't know if I should get rid of this or keep it. You know, I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Because this is just one I just don't reach for, and it's like super messy. As you see, I got lipstick on my hand already. Next is another lipstick from YSL and the Zoe Kravitz collaboration. This is what this looks like. This is just a nice brown color. This looks so good on the lips if you are around my complexion. This will be a shade that I would highly suggest you picking up, and this one I am going to keep. Another lipstick from that collection, and I am going to keep this one as well. This is a nice, like, deep burgundy vampy color. This one is perfect for like fall and winter. I'm definitely keeping this. Also, this is the I can't remember what this is called. This is like the lip stain from YSL. This is one of my favorite lip products from YSL, and this is in the shade 23. I've had this a long time. This really should go in the garbage, but I am going to keep it until I get a replacement, because this shade is always sold out. Like, I don't know why. This is just a pretty pinky nude. Like, I love it. This looks amazing with the lip liner or without. Like, this is definitely staying. Also, some other products from YSL. This is their lip balms. I don't really like these. Let me open one up to show y'all. I hardly ever even use these. These are like almost practically brand new. I don't know if I should keep them or get rid of them, because I've had, well, no, I don't even think I've had these like a year yet, but I just don't wear these. And they are very similar to the Gucci, what is it called? Lip Shine something. These are like almost identical, but I like the Gucci ones better. I don't know, just something about these that I'm just not too crazy about. Let me open up the other one and show y'all. I've worn this one a couple times, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep these. I'm not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep them. Next, are these Tom Ford lipsticks. I feel like Tom Ford makes some of the worst lipsticks in my opinion. These always, every single Tom Ford lipstick I've tried, they always break apart. Let me open them. One of them I wore like maybe once and it broken apart. Okay, this one is still intact. This is just like a nice pinky color. I might keep this one. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep this one. And this one is the shade Aphrodite. This is a nice shade of lipstick. Like, this was one of my favorites, but it just break apart all the time. Like, I can't even twist it up, because if I twist this thing up, it's gonna fall, and I don't want to get it all over this rug. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this, because this is just like, I like the shade, but I don't like the quality of the lipstick. So these two are going in the garbage. Another lip product from Tom Ford. I think this is like their lip balm. This has to be one of the worst lip balms I've ever tried. Like, this shade is just horrible. I thought maybe this would be like a shade that don't really show up on your lips, or like, I didn't expect for this to show up on my lips. And when I put this on, my lips look white and ashy. Let me do a quick swatch of it. The way it's swatching on my hand, it does not look that way on my lips. So I think I am going to get rid of this. Like, I only wore this like one time, and I forgot how much I paid for this little small thing, because this one is not a mini size. This is a full size Tom Ford lipstick. And yeah, I mean lip balm. This is going in the garbage. Also, next is my YSL what are these called? Slim Matte Glow lipstick. I believe those are the names of them. I'm keeping these. I've just got these like last fall. I'm keeping them. And I have 4 of them. Like, I love these lipsticks. Also, I have another YSL lip stain. This is a pretty decent lip stain. Like, I like this one a whole lot better. So I think I'm going to keep it, just because of the simple fact I haven't even had this a year, but you know, I don't wear it. It should really go in the garbage, but I'm gonna just keep it. This is a Gucci lipstick. I'm like all burnt out from talking about Gucci lipsticks, but I'm keeping it. I don't even know which one that is. Trying to get all my Gucci lipsticks out, because I know I'm keeping them. These are more lipsticks from Gucci that I'm keeping. Definitely keeping all the Gucci's are staying. This is a lipstick from Givenchy. I just mentioned this in like one of my recent videos. I'm keeping this. This is the Dior liquid lipstick. I just recently got these like this spring. I think I got like 2 other shades. Definitely keeping these. Another one. Another one, they're definitely staying. This is a Pat McGrath lipstick, and this is in the shade Elson. Matter of fact, let me do a quick swatch of Elson and Madge Red, so I can show y'all exactly how similar they are. If I can find Madge Red. Okay. I went looking for Madge Red on Gucci's website, and it was gone. So I don't know if you could get it now, but this is Madge Red. And let me swatch, and this is what the shade Elson. Let me swatch it next to it. I feel like they're almost like the same exact shade. So if you missed out on picking up Madge Red or can't find it, definitely try Elson by Pat McGrath. It's almost pretty much the same shade of red. I'm definitely keeping the Gucci lipstick. Yes, I'm keeping. This is a Chanel liquid lipstick. This is like so pretty. I love this. This is like one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. I haven't reached for it much, but I'm keeping it. I have another lip stain from YSL. This is like a vampy color. I love this for fall. That's the only time I wear this, is maybe like October and November, and then I just sit it back in the drawer. I probably should get rid of this, but y'all know I'm keeping it. Have another Gucci lipstick that I'm keeping. Now we're starting to get to some of the concealers. This is the YSL lipstick that I just talked about in my top 5 favorite lipsticks. I'm keeping this. This is the perfect brown. I love it. Satin finish. I'm not going to go too deep into it. And these are some Gucci lip liners. I'm keeping these lip liners. I just wish Gucci would come out with a brown lip liner. Right now, I don't think they have any brown lip liners, but I'm keeping these two. I have another lipstick from Chanel. I mentioned this a while ago in my favorites. I like this liquid lipstick a lot. And I have a lipstick from Tom Ford. This just came out, I think, what was that collection they came out with the beginning of the year where everything was like packaged in pink? So this was part of that collection, that line. I think, what's the name? And this is in the shade To Die For. This is just a nice pink color, perfect for summertime, spring. I don't wear it that much because I'm scared it's going to break on me. And like I just mentioned, Tom Ford have some of the worst quality lipsticks, I feel, in my opinion. They're just, for the price that you pay, $50-something for a lipstick that breaks apart within the first use, Tom Ford gotta do better. But I'm keeping it. These are lipsticks. These are Dior lipsticks. I think this is the shade 910 Ardent. Lipstick is perfect for the brown girls. If you're around my complexion, a little deeper, you're gonna love how this looks on your lips. Let me swatch it. Actually, I did a review on this lipstick a while ago, and that's what it looks like. This is a nice chocolate brown lipstick. These are the Dior mini lipsticks. I'm not gonna swatch these, but I did a review on these last year when they came out, like in the, I think it was like a little holiday collection, something, I don't know, but I'm not going to swatch them. And this is another lipstick from Gucci. Another Gucci lipstick. This is another Dior lipstick. This is a Tom Ford mini. I think I bought something and I got this as a freebie. I don't know, I bought something from Nordstrom's and that's where that came from. And this is the lip liner Crucifix, the one I was talking about. Let me swatch this. Like, this is like my favorite lip liner. I'm gonna swatch it right here. You see? Perfect brown. Y'all gotta get this one. Like, this is just everything. And this is a lip gloss, something that I just picked up from Oma Beauty. So the rest of the things in here is just concealer. So I think I'm continue with the lipsticks and then we'll get back to this basket.